Welcome to course number 6, Saving and Emergency Funds. In today's lecture, we'll talk about the importance of saving. By the end, you'll understand why saving is essential, how it provides security, and how to make it a lifelong habit. Saving money matters because it gives you freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind. Without savings, even small emergencies can cause stress or force you to borrow. With savings, you have a cushion that helps you handle the unexpected and pursue opportunities with confidence. Spending gives you short-term satisfaction, while saving provides long-term stability. A healthy financial plan balances both. Students who learn to save early set themselves up for future success, whether it's buying a car, paying off loans, or building wealth. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, medical bills appear, and job hours can be cut. Savings serve as a safety net. Even a small emergency fund can prevent you from relying on high-interest debt, like credit cards or payday loans. This is one of the biggest reasons why saving is so important. Having savings reduces financial stress. Knowing you have money set aside for unexpected costs allows you to focus on your studies, your career, and your personal goals. Financial stress is one of the top challenges for students, and savings provide relief. Learning to save while in college builds habits that last a lifetime. Even saving just a small percentage of your income now trains you to live within your means and prepare for the future. Over time, small consistent savings grow into financial security. When you save money and earn interest, your savings grow over time. This is called compounding, earning interest on your initial savings plus the interest it already earned. Starting early makes compounding more powerful, showing why saving now has long-term benefits. Let's consider two students. Taylor starts saving $25 a month during college. Jordan waits until after graduation to start. Over time, Taylor's savings grow much larger, even though the monthly amount was small. This example shows that starting early makes a big difference. Here is an example of a one-time savings of $100 that earns 5% interest per year. Notice how much it grows over 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, and 30 years. Here is an example of an annual savings of $100 that earns 5% interest per year. Notice how much it grows over 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, and 30 years. To sum up, saving is essential for financial stability, reducing stress, and preparing for the future. It protects you from emergencies, builds good habits, and grows over time through compounding. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, the habit of saving is more important than the amount you begin with. This concludes our discussion about the importance of saving. In the next lesson, we will learn about the short-term and long-term savings goals. See you then.